Welcome to part 2 of our requested work solution for question 4 from the May 2014 Time Zone 1 paper 4. And here we're working out some probabilities using our Venn diagram. Okay, so I'm going to use a different flavour here. Let's go for green. Okay, all right, so we're going to work out the probability that a child chosen at random received a book but not a toy. Now, the probability of anything, so probability is going to be equal to the probability of the number of events of a favourable outcome, okay, over the possible outcomes, so the number of possible outcomes. Okay, so number of favourable, the ones that we're looking for, over the number of possible. Okay, so what's the probability that a child chosen at random received a book but not a toy and not a puzzle? Okay, so we're looking for the children who just received a book and not a toy and not a puzzle. So that would be these guys here. They just received a book. They did not receive any of these. So that's going to be the number of favourable is going to be 9, and the total number is going to be, we know that there's 40 children, and we can't simplify that anymore, so that stays the same. All right, now that was the probability, but this part of the question says the number of children who received a book and a puzzle but not a toy. So a book and a puzzle, okay, so those who received a book and a puzzle, so 5 over here, okay, 5 minus x, and we know that x is 3, so it's going to be 5 minus 3, so 5 minus 3, that's going to be equal to 2. Now we're looking for, here's some notation here, it says the number of B, okay, the number of B, so the number of children who received a book, all right, so the children who received the book are going to be the 9 that just got a book, okay, plus the 4 minus x who got a book and a toy, plus the 5 minus x of the kids who got a book and a puzzle, and plus the x that got all 3. Okay, so that's going to look like the number of B is going to be equal to 9 just the book, plus 3 that got all 3, plus 4 minus 3, plus 5 minus 3. Okay, so 9 plus 3 is going to be 12, plus 4 minus 3, plus 1, plus 5 minus 3, plus 2, 12 plus 1, plus 2 is going to be 15. Okay. All right. Here's some notation that you guys need to understand. So we've got either the smiley face here or the upside down face, the frowny face here. So this one is equal to or, and this one is equal to and. Okay. So this mathematical statement is saying the number of kids who receive a book or a puzzle, okay? A book or a puzzle. So if we have a look here, a book or a puzzle, it doesn't matter which one that they got. So they could have been part of this 9 here. They could have been. We know that all of the kids, that there was actually 15 kids we found from the question before that there was 15 kids that received, we added all these up here, that received a book, and then we're just going to add now the kids that also received a puzzle. Okay, so that's going to be the 15 here plus the 7 plus the 6 minus 3. So that's going to be the 15 from before that received a book, so it's going to be 15 plus the 7 that just got a puzzle, plus the 6 minus 3 who got a puzzle and a toy. Alright, and that's equal to 15 plus 7 is 22, is going to be 25. Okay, so again with the same notation, we're looking for the number who received a book or a toy or a puzzle. Actually, we're looking for the number that did not. Okay, so this little dash here, this is not whatever this is. Okay, so 1 minus whatever this is here. Okay, so we know that in total that there was 40, okay, and we're going to minus all of the people who did, so we're going to take them away because we're looking for who didn't get a book or a toy or a puzzle. So it's going to be minus 36. And we can already tell we don't even have to do any maths because we can see that the ones that didn't get anything are these guys here. So that's going to be, the answer to that will be 4. And last but not least, we've got part D here. All right, and for part D, we've been asked, and I think that I've missed part of the question here, but let me just pull that. Okay, so there is a bit missing there, and that bit is going to be, it says shade the region, so shade the region or the area, and it says B, sad face, T, smiley face, P, and we've got our dash here. So what this is saying, it's saying B and, okay, not T or P. Okay, so B and not T or P. So we've just got B here, okay, but we don't want to worry about T or P. So it's just the B region. All right, that's the only part that we're shading. This is B and this is and or T, B and or P. We don't want to worry about that. We just want B and not this region here. Okay, if you need any more clarification on any of the worked solution, please comment below, and also if there's any other questions that you might want me to do, please also leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.